You're done.
Alright guys, so now we got the TAGinn standalone 36 kick charge launcher. It came with a really cool leaf sight, but I took that off. I put Aimpoint T1 on top. The stock does deploy really nicely. Just push on that and it'll slide all the way out. It's breech loaded. The trigger is nice too because it's actually double action where it'll strike again. You can just keep pressing if you have a misfire until it goes off. Alright, let's shoot it out. This is about 175 yards where we're aiming right now. So I got the shell, I got my 5-second kick charge Reaper, put it in the breech. A little high on that one. TAGinn kick charge launcher, the future. All right, guys, so now we have the kick charge launcher shell. This works in the same way that the MLG36 does, but instead of having the striker in the launcher itself, now the striker is in the shell. This is reverse compatible with all old Airsoft grenade launchers. So here I got my M203, and we're gonna try it out. While I've popped the shell, I put the new kick charge Reaper in there. It's got a liquid charge, explosive charge for the round itself. Ah, there it goes. See how it goes. Beautiful. Right on B. Boom!
You're dead.